10th class 8 students, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 8 students, listen carefully. This is computer class and me Tarkeshwar sir. Okay, students, after the Diwali, the school will be resumed and you just watch my videos because we have to just going suffering the last chapters and the chapter name is the A in our computer book. Okay, now the name of this chapter is Databases Structured Query Language. Database is structured query language, and in this chapter we have this understanding only the three topics. First is the database concept, and second is relational database management system (RDBMS), and third is introduction to SQL. Introduction to SQL. So there is the three topics in the last chapter. Now, firstly, everyone just open the book for understanding these things. The page number 98. Everyone just open. Okay, on the page number 98, what the given here? Database concept. Okay, a database system manage business and organize data and information efficiently. Database system is also known as a computer-based record-keeping system. A database may also be defined as a collection of interrelated data stored together to serve multiple applications. The data is structured so as to provide a foundation to future application development. It means a database, it means what? A database, it means a full of record. A database, it means a full of record of organization of companies, of schools. Suppose that you want to just come and deposit your fees. So it means the preliminary your data is stored in the computer. Then he will be just take about your fees according to your name. Okay. If the already data is not exist, so how can they do suddenly? They have to fill about your all details. Then after that create database first. After that we will be do that things. So it means a database is a necessary terms, and it is another name is also a good computer-based record-keeping system. Computer-based record-keeping system. So the meaning of database concept is clear. Are full of a bulk of record where we just find anything. Next, a database is a collection of related data to serve multiple applications. It can also be defined as a computer record-keeping system. It is a definition. A database management system, it means the DBMS, is a software which helps in the creation, updation, and manipulation of data. It means database management system software is a type of applications where you just create, manipulate your own data. Advance of databases. Okay, advance of database management system has many advantages as compared to traditional computer file-based processing approach. DBMS provides sharing data consistency, integration of data security, data independence, backup and recovery procedures, etc. Now, just listen carefully. Suppose that a bulk of data is called a database, okay, and database is related to the DBMS. See on the page number 98. Database is related to the DBMS, and DBMS is another forms like the ERP, web application, web servers, web services, and any customer applications. Okay, so it is a form to expanding the database to another application. Now the next is RDBMS. RDBMS, it means the relational database management system. Is a digital database software used by maintain relating model data. The data in the RDBMS is stored in the form of tables, tuples, record, attributes, degrees, and cardinality, database key, candidate key, primary key, alternative key, design key. There are a lot of things. Okay, now just listen. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, is a system where we have to keep the digital database software system and use to maintain relation model of database. Now, First is tuplus. Tuplus record, it means what? The tuplus records in a table row are referred as tuplus of record. Okay, tuplus are recorded in a table of row. In a table of row is called tuplus either record. A table can have duplicate tuplus, while a true relation can not have duplicate tuplus. Okay. It means a table can have duplicate tuplus, while a true relation cannot be duplicate tuplus. Attribute: fields, columns, and table are referred as attributes. Fields and columns, as it means columns in a table is called attributes. Degrees: the number of fields of columns in a relation. The number of fields or columns in a relation are called the degree of the relation. For example, consider the employee table on the page number 99. It has 4 fields, so it is said a relation of a degree 4. Then is cardinality. Cardinality: the number of rows or tuples in a relation is called cardinality of the relation. For example, the cardinality of the table employees is 6. It means where is the 6th record is finished. Database key. Key is very important for relation database. They are used to establish the identity relation between tables. They also ensure record within a table can be uniquely identified by combination of one or more field within a table. First is the candidate key. Candidate key are defined as the set of attributes from which primary key can be selected. It can be attribute or a set of attributes that can act as a primary key for a table to uniquely identity each record in that table. Consider the table employee 6. Date of joining is a candidate key. Okay, because by the date of joining they have to find the uniquely identification of that. Primary key is a unique key that is main key of a table. It is a key that uniquely identifies each record in a table. For example, employee number and employee. Alternate key: when there are 2 more candidate key in a table, then after selecting the primary key from the given candidate key, the remaining candidate key is also known as alternate key. Foreign key: a foreign key is used to represent the relation between 2 or more tables. The relation between 2 or more tables is called foreign key. For example, considering the table employees and the department. Okay, employees and the department. Now just come to the next introduction to SQL, that is in the next time I just taught you. But now here the concept of database and we have a relational database management system we have to read at home. Okay, till then, thank you.